And welcome to another set of videos. Hair and tie it in the form of half ponytail. Then take the rest of the part of the hair and tie it in the form of half ponytail again. Then tie your hair quickly in the form of a rubber band and roll it upwards, passing it through the gap of the upper part. Roll it like this carefully and secure it with a tight bobby pin. Take another part of your hair, tie it in the form of a rubber band in the form of half ponytail. Tie the lower end of your hair with another rubber band. Then take rest of the part of hair, divide it into three parts. Take the middle part and make plaits out of the middle part. Then take the rest of the part of hair and secure it with a rubber band. Pass it through the gap and repeat the same process again with both the parts. Roll all the three parts upwards just like this, securing it tightly with a bobby pin. You're good to go. Take your hair and tie it in the form of ponytail. Secure it tightly with your favorite looking bobby pin. Comb your hair properly and tie it with a rubber band just like this. See how clean it looks. It should give you an elegant look. Then divide your hair into two parts and make it a fluffy look, securing it properly with a bobby pin. Take your hair and make it in the form of lower ponytail. Then divide that ponytail into two parts and do it in the form of plait. Then roll the plait upwards, securing it with a bobby pin. See how simple it was. Take your hair, make it in the form of half ponytail properly, roll it upwards through the gap, then take the lower part of the hair, repeat the same process, tying it with a rubber band and passing it through the gaps in between. Then take rest of the part of the hair, divide it into three sections and do a plait out of it. Use your fingers properly, give it a fluffy look and tie the lower end with a rubber band. Roll it upwards like this and secure it tightly with a bobby pin just to make it look like this. It would give you an elegant look. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. In that ponytail, through your hand, securing it with a bobby pin, putting your hair through that gap. You should just repeat the steps properly and do it in that manner. Then tie your hair loose and then divide it into two sections. Take one section and do plaits out of them. Repeat the same process with the next section as well. Tie both the sections properly and twist it just like this, pulling it through the gap and securing it with a fancy bobby pin. Take your hair, divide it into two parts. Do not secure it with a rubber band but roll it with the help of your finger and secure it properly with your favorite looking bobby pin just like this, pulling out the strands of hair in the middle. You should just follow the steps eagerly. Thanks for watching.